Hi everyone, my name is Amal Abdurrahman and today I'll be talking about the board game that I have created and it's called Hideaway. First of all, I want to talk about the environment inspiration. I have taken inspiration for the environment from many video games that I have been playing and from art books that I own. So I have the Zelda Breath of the Wild art book and I've taken a lot of inspirations from there and inspiration from the Castlevania Lord of the Shadow art book. Character inspiration. For this board game, the players will have two playable characters. The first one is Amethyst, the second one is Rose Quartz. And I have done a small research about the personality of the gemstones, Amethyst and Rose Quartz. Other characters that I have in my board games are Guardians, and I've got references from other video games and TV shows. The process. I have been working on the process for quite some time and I have developed it through time. The first map that I have created is this one and it looks quite simple, and then I developed it to make it more complex, more better looking. And then here is some of the information that I have gathered about the gemstones in order to create the personality and to create the story for the characters. And then I set down the rules or how to play this board game and some other sketches about how the game should be played and how would it look like. Final design. Here I have the final design and the two playable characters. The number of players will be 2 players and 1 operator. That's a total of 3 people playing this game. The targeted age is for teens. The game type is mystery, storytelling, magical, fantasy, thriller, and fiction. How to play. Players will pick a character, Amethyst or Rose Quartz. Each player will get a card that has information about the character that they have chosen. Each player will roll the dice and will move accordingly. Players will travel across the map to a total of 4 locations to solve the riddle and unlock a new memory and get a new gem fragment. In every location they visit, they will get the narrator will read the story and the riddle, and once the riddle is solved, the player will earn a memory card. The player must get a total of 4 gem fragments in order to unlock the final door and reveal the truth about their character's true identity. Game cards. In this board game, we have 3 cards that the player can own. The first one is a memory card. The player will get 1 memory card after solving a riddle in one of the main 4 locations. Event card. The player will get this card after rolling the dice. This card will reveal secret events along the way. It will show as the following. In this area, you notice a strange creature staring at you and then ran off. Follow it or ignore it. Based on what the player chooses, the story will change. Hint card. Some areas on the map will allow the player to get a hint card. This card may come as a photo or a text. This card will reveal secrets about the the player that have chosen. The well. If the player reached the well with less than 4 gem fragments, they will have to win its challenge in order to proceed to the gate. And finally, I have my references and the total hours spent. That's 20 hours total. Thank you.